J. Y. The 10th letter of the alphabet. Die 10de letter van die alfabet. Jacket, baadjie. I have a brown jacket. Ek het 'n bruin baadjie. Jam, konfyt. We eat jam on our bread. Ons eet konfyt op ons brood. Jar, fles. Mother has many jars of preserved fruit in the pantry. Ma het baie flesse ingemakte vrugte in die spens. Jelly, jelly. Mother is making jelly for everyone. Mommy maak vir almal jelly. Jewel, juweel. A jewel is a precious stone. A juweel is 'n edelsteen. Join, knoop. Join the two pieces of string with a knot. Knoop die twee stukkies tou aan mekaar. Joke, grap. A joke is a short, amusing story. 'n grap is 'n kort, snaakse storie. Joy, blydskap. The dog is happy. He is wagging his tail with joy. Die hond is bly. Hy kwispel met sy stert van blydskap. Juice, sap. I drink orange juice at breakfast. Ek drink met ontbyt lemoensap. Jump, spring. Sue likes to jump with a skipping rope. Sue spring graag met 'n springtou. Just, net. There is just enough milk left to fill the glass. Daar is net genoeg melk oor om die glas te vul.